Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Indian to Monzo account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from India to Monzo account. So the first thing to do is to sign up using using a Wise account, because that is actually it allows you to transfer money in between those banks, because there is no an offer for a direct transfer from India to Monzo account. So the best thing to do is to use a money transfer platform which is called Wise, which supports the two services together. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to sign up with your Wise account. So if you don't have that on your device, you can just download and install the Wise app on your Google Play Store or on your Apple Store based on your mobile. Then after that, you have to create an account. So open the app and sign up with your email address. You can also sign up using your Google or your Facebook account. Then next thing to do is just verify your account, verify your identity, which requires your photo ID or a selfie to verify your identity as part of the registration process. The process is done. You have to move to the next step, which is to link your Indian bank accounts to Wise. So add your bank account details, which is to go to the money, which is to go to the send money, then choose the India as the country you want to send money from. Then after that, you have to link your Indian bank account by providing the account details, which is the bank name, the bank account number, then your IFC code and other important bank details stated in the app. Then after that, you have to choose your payment method. So you can choose to pay for the transfer using options like UPI, NEFT, or RTGS, depending on what your bank support. Then after that, you have to add your Monzo account details. So go to your Monzo account information, then go to the account, then go to account and look for your sort code and account number. You will see this for the transfer. Then after that, enter the Monzo account information in Wise. Then in the Wise app, enter the sort code and also input your account number from your Monzo account as the recipient bank details. Then double check that the information is correct to ensure the money reaches the right account. Then after that, you have to enter the amount, then you have to transfer the amount. So to do this, you have to enter the amount to send from India to your Monzo account. Then Wise will show you the exchange rate, transfer fee, and the final amount that will be received in your Monzo account. Then ensure everything looks good. Then after that, select your previous payment method, which is the UPI, NEFT, or the RTGS, and authorize the payment. You may need to complete the additional security setup depending on your bank requirement, and that's how to send money from India to Monzo. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.